touching.
Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make turkey in whole, the Haitian way. First you need some butter. So I already rubbed butter with thyme and some seasoning on this. And make sure you poke it that way all the seasoning can get to the meat. And also you can cut part of the legs and some of the wings too. I love the wings, so you want to, what I did, I cut this part, that way the seasoning can get through, and even here too. Okay, this is a big bird and it's gonna be so delicious. It's stuffed in with thyme. I have lemon, and there's butter in there. Also green bell pepper to give it some nice aroma. It's gonna be so good. Again, you have to poke it because the skin is very thick, so if you don't poke it, the seasoning is not gonna get in. And that's why sometimes when you make big turkey like this, it doesn't come out tasty, because like if you don't poke it for the seasoning to go. Oh, another thing you have to do is to get some butter and go under the skin.
No, put it on the belly.
Yeah, my daughter is helping me with this turkey. So you go under the skin, put some butter in it. It's gonna come out nice and crispy.
There's some butter on your hand.
That's right. And you can put a little bit of seasoning under the skin too.
Wow, that's right to make.
And if you want to stuff in, you can always stuff it in, but I just prefer it like this. I don't like stuffings, so I just like I said, I put those things. It will make the turkey smell good and give it some nice flavor.
That's nasty.